Hello and welcome to the Auburn Public Library's Tech Help video series. Today we're going to be discussing NewsBank. As always, we're going to start at the auburnalabama.org/library website. That's our library's homepage, and you're going to click on Online Resources. From here, you can scroll down and use the All Resources list and select either NewsBank Access World News or several of the other links that link out to specific resources on NewsBank, such as the Opelika Auburn News. I'm going to go back up to the top and click on the News categories to show you the other way into the NewsBank website. And from here, I'm going to go ahead and click on the Opelika Auburn News to show you how this resource ties in. So it's loaded all of the Opelika Auburn News resources that are available to you through NewsBank. As you can see, you can get a text format of the OA News from 2008 to current, or you can do the full image from 2018 to current, as well as some archived blogs there. I'll show you the difference between the two. If we do the text, you get your date listing, and I'm going to click on the current day. And then you'll see a list of all of the articles that were present, and you can click on any of those. And you'll get the full text of the article. I'm going to go ahead and go back until I get back to the resources list for the Opelika Auburn News. And from there, I will click on the full image. And you will notice that these are released on the same day, so we can look at the current issue of the Opelika Auburn News. And in full text, in full image, you will get the paper exactly like you would receive it at home. You can scroll through the various pages over here on the right. And you also have some tools across the top where you can do citations and clip parts of the page. I'm going to go ahead and go back to our main listing here and go into the NewsBank main site. And then from here, we have a few options. We can look at suggested topics. We can go to our source locator quick links over here. We have selected some that should be meaningful to our patrons, so a lot of the Alabama specific and local news is available here. You can click directly on those and it'll take you right to the resource. Or you can go up top, and if you're interested in viewing a specific event and how that coverage differs depending on where you are and what news organization is covering it, you can search for a specific event here in the main search. So I'm going to run a quick search for debt ceiling. And now NewsBank is searching every news resource that they have access to for any references to debt ceiling. You can sort by best match, newest, oldest, or you can select particular date ranges that you want to see. So if you wanted to see historical battles over the debt ceiling, you could go back and look at individual year time frames, or you could look at your current by going to the last. You can do direct date searching, and you can also look at your source types here in this refined selector. You can also narrow it down and see how coverage is broken up by source region, so North America, Europe, Asia, that kind of thing. So there are a lot of options in here to tailor your search. You can always go back to the front or right here at the top and do your A to Z source list. And this will give you a full listing of all resources available in NewsBank, and you can browse any of the individual sources that you like. And you can also refine these here and sort through them, jumping letter to letter or by search. You can do source names, dates, formats, all of that through this search feature. Thank you for watching, and as always, if we can help you with any of our digital resources, please contact us at ebooks@auburnalabama.org. Thank you, and have a great day.